When you're working with an underground irrigation system, a minor problem can easily create a major headache. Simple repairs turn into hours of lost time if your crews don't know how to properly fix the problem at hand. Rainbird Training Services, the world's leading irrigation training organization, has the answer. The Rainbird Academy Irrigation Basics online video series shows you and your crew step by step how to make the most common irrigation system repairs and adjustments. Our professional irrigation trainers clearly demonstrate each problem and its repair using products from many of the top manufacturers in the industry. Each of our trainers has over 20 years of irrigation industry experience. They're not salesmen or product managers. You'll never hear a sales pitch in one of our training videos. Each video is fast and focused on a specific problem in the field. The online, mobile-friendly format makes them easy to view on the job site while the repair is happening. Whether you're an irrigation company, landscaper, lawn maintenance company, the Rainbird Academy Irrigation Basics online video series is an excellent choice. Get the industry's best irrigation training from the source you can trust. Rainbird Training Services.